Islamic civilization is built upon a belief system that places Allah as the ultimate source of guidance and authority. It represents a complete way of life where religious principles influence culture, law, education, social behavior, and governance. Historically, this civilization flourished when Prophet Muhammad established an organized and ethical society in Medina, demonstrating justice, human dignity, and social order. Western civilization, on the other hand, evolved through various intellectual and political shifts, including ancient Greek philosophy, Roman governance, and later the Enlightenment period. This influence led to a society that prioritizes reason, scientific exploration, and the separations of religion from public affairs. The key distinction between these two lies in their foundation. Islamic civilization is God-centered, where divine guidance shapes human life, while Western civilization is human-centered, where human intellect and personal priorities form the basis of decision-making and progress.
Islamic civilization view life as a journey that connects both the physical world and the spiritual dimension. Human beings are regarded as caretakers on earth with responsibilities that extend to their action in the hereafter. The aim is to balance worldly advancement with moral discipline and accountability before Allah. In Islam, success is measured not only by accomplishment in this life, but more importantly, by righteousness and positive contribution to society. Western civilization generally emphasizes personal success, comfort, and achievement in this world. While spiritually may still exist, it is usually treated as a matter of individual preference. Concepts such as freedom, progress, and self-expression are prioritized. Success is often measured through wealth, innovation, influence, and social status. These different goals shape the culture and value of each civilization. Islam promotes a holistic approach that merges material and spiritual development, while Western civilization largely focuses on earthly ambition and individual advancement.
Social and moral values also form an important area of contrast. In Islam, ethical principles are stable because they originate from divine revelation. Values such as justice, honesty, family integrity, modesty, and care for the less fortunate are universal and timeless. Islam teaches that society thrives when individuals work together to support community well-being. Concepts like charity, unity, and social fairness protect everyone, including the most vulnerable. However, Western civilization tends to build its moral standard on human judgment and cultural evolution. As societies change, values also shift. Individual freedom often takes priority even if it leads to changes in traditional social norms. Choices in lifestyle, family structure, and personal expression are guided more by individual desire than by universal moral rules. Therefore, these differences explain why Islamic civilization emphasizes collective responsibility and stable ethics, while Western civilization embraces flexible and evolving moral codes.
Another important distinction lies in knowledge and governance. In Islamic civilization, seeking knowledge is considered a noble act. Scholars in fields such as astronomy, mathematics, and medicine aim to enhance human life and strengthen spirituality awareness. The pursuit of wisdom is linked to moral values and accountability to Allah. Governance in Islam is grounded in justice, fairness, and consultation. Leaders are expected to serve their people and uphold ethical principles that protect human rights and dignity. Western civilization has traditionally used knowledge to drive technological progress, economic power, and political influence. Government system emphasize secular democracy and national identity, often made without reference to religious principles. In conclusion, both civilizations have contributed meaningfully to the world, yet their visions remain distinct. Islam prioritizes divine guidance, community welfare, and balanced development between faith and worldly achievement. Western civilization highlights individual freedom, nationalism, and material progress. Understanding these differences allow us to appreciate each civilization's unique identity and strength.